welcome to the Crafty Diamond. This is Debbie. In today's video, I have a kitting down of The Language of Flowers 4 by Jasmine, Becket, Griffith from Craftibly. I also have a playlist on this one, and I have a completion review that I have already done, and it's already out there, so I will include that at the top of the eye, so you can go and watch that if you would like to. I had quite a bit of drills left over, so I want to go ahead and put those in my trunk, and this is what the front of my trunk looks like. I love this. I can also include where I got this from Etsy. It is on the pricey side, but I really like it. I figured that would last a very long time. I had a gift certificate that I wanted to use, and so this is what I had gotten with it. And right now I do have rounds and squares in here, but it's really full. I need to take my rounds out and just have squares in here. And then I am taking all my ABs out, and I'm doing something else with those. And so I will have a video sometime in the future on how I have changed this up. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and I am just going to transfer all of my spare drills from my containers over into the bags. And these do not have the DMC numbers on the containers, which is kind of a pain. So I'm having to go through and look at the schematic on the side of the canvas and find this. And of course, they're not in any kind of order. So this may take a little bit longer to do it this way. So I'm going to go ahead and, what did I say, 936. And some of these I already have bags that I've started. And some of these I went ahead and I put paper in here so they would stand up. I think I'm going to take the paper out. It's just cardstock if I can get it out of here, because now I've got enough in here where they're going to stand up. If I can't get this out in time, I just won't worry about it. They're really thick too. And then so far, I don't think I'm going to have a problem getting the stickers off of here, the labels. And if I do, I have some Goo Gone, and I will just go ahead and take care of that. But it shouldn't be that difficult to do. This is not a requirement at all of diamond painting. For any of you that are new, or you're not sure why I am doing this, or you've seen others do it, and part of it is because if I run out of drills, I want to have enough drills where I can just go and get what I need out of my stash than having to wait until I do get more in. And depending on where you get your diamond paintings from, that would depend on how long that it would take to get replacements. And there may be some companies out there that will not give replacement drills. And of course, I ran out of one color on this kit, and I did not have that in my stash here. So I did have to wait until they came in, but I did have another kit from the same company, from Craftibly. I was able to pull what I needed out of there, and I'm going to replace what was sent to me into that kit. Let's see, this was 3011. Let's see here, there it is. I don't have a bag for this one already. I thought I did. So I do have bags that I bought from Craftibly. And then 3011, I have stickers. I could have easily made these stickers using my Cricut, but I decided, I saw these. This came from Add More Zest, and I saw that she had these, and so I just went ahead. I was going to order a tray from her anyway, from Rebecca, and just went ahead and decided, well, I'm already ordering a tray. I'll just go ahead and order these, and it will save me some time from having to set all these up, set the numbers up and everything. I have a couple of these that I see stragglers in here. I'm not gonna pick all these out right now. If I ever need them, I can do that at the time. And then for the squares that I save, I am looking at several of the cross stitch conversions that I want to do in the future. And I have ordered one recently. It is actually in transit now. And so I went ahead and paid for all the drills on that one because I wanted all the drills to be from the same company. The next one that I do, I would really like to use my own drills. That would save quite a bit of money as well. Just checking to make sure these colors are similar, or they're very close, or the drill colors. That's a big difference. Let's see, I think that'll be okay for now. Some like to have separate bags or baggies for the different companies. I'm just putting mine in here, and if I need them or when I need them, I will just go through and pick out the ones that are the most more closely resembling the color that I need. I'm putting these together, it looks similar. It's kind of hard to tell with these lights. But I'm not gonna have several baggies because I don't wanna have just numerous boxes to have to keep up with. So for me, it's just as easy to go ahead and put them together and then worry about them if and when I need them. Let's see, $8.98. These are kind of staticky too. I thought about putting tabs on here so I'll know where all of them are. Yeah, that's about the color. I was looking to make sure that color was kind of funny. Okay, $8.98, but I decided against doing that. And I do have square and round labels, so I'm hoping that will help me so I don't get square and rounds in the same bag, which I could easily do. That could be something that I end up doing by accident, of course. So do you save your drills or do you just get rid of them? The ones that I have as trash, and I don't have that handy with me, I end up giving those away, the ones I have for trash. I will collect those, and then I have a couple of friends, one's a neighbor, that wants to use them in her classroom. So when I get quite a bit, then I'll just give them to her when she asks. I just have a container that had peanuts in it, and so I use those for my trash drills, or drills I'm not going to keep. I don't keep all of the drills. If they weren't very good quality, then I'm not gonna keep them. Is that $33.28? Yes. Like a lot of the discount companies, I don't keep those. If they're good quality, I'll keep them. But if they're not good quality, there's really no point in me even putting those in my stash because I'm not gonna want them. I'm not gonna use them. Let's see, $33.28. And then when I've been keeping 2 baggies full of squares and just 1 bag of rounds. And then when I get that much in this stash, then I have another box that I'm keeping other ones in that I don't need, but if someone else needs them, I have them at the ready. So if you ever run out of any drills of a specific color, and if you can't wait on the company to send them to you, or that they're not going to, then reach out to me. I'll see if I have them in my extra overflow. This is for $51. Okay, now I'm looking for $37.90. Let's see. I don't have that many rounds. I just haven't done that many round kits lately. And I haven't always kept my drills. I was debating when I first started diamond painting, I was debating if I was going to keep them or if I was just going to get rid of them. And I didn't really have the space, and I thought, oh, this is just, I don't really need them. And then now I decided, you know, I really need to keep these. Because you never know when you're going to run out, just like I ran out on those. And that's the first time I've ever ran out, so I can't complain. And Craftibly was really nice. They sent me some more drills. And I was mainly doing it to let them know that they were short on this kit in case they needed to add more for future kits. Okay, so let's see here. This one is H. This isn't even in order on the side. This would not take me long at all if this had DMC numbers on my little pots here. Okay, I know this is an H. Okay, now we're on 3858. And it seems like I have more of the upper level numbers than the lower level. It's kind of weird. I'm just using a diamond painting pen to keep those pulled back. That way I don't have to go hunting it down again. And if you can see on these bags, there's quite a bit that I had left over. Like here's all of these in this one bag. So that's quite a bit. That was 3858. Okay. And here is 3858. I need to take time to go through and just have one bag for each color, but I just have not taken, that's going to take a while, especially for rounds and for squares. I just have not bothered to do that. Some of these are coming up pretty, they're coming up pretty good. I probably need to run some Goo Gone through here just before I use these again, because they are still a little sticky on top. All right, so the next one is J. Let's see, the next one is J. That's 3781. Okay, 3781. Need to get another bag.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. 'cause I find my way. Find my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, find my way, my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, find my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way.
I don't wanna waste a minute. Don't have many plans, wing it. If you got a glass, fill it. 'Cause I need it, Monday is in it. I don't wanna think about it. So if you know the song, sing it. 'Cause I need it, Take me to a place where the music's loud. I don't wanna think right now. Flashing lights running through the crowd. I don't ever wanna stop. So let's get out, let's get out. I got money in my pocket and I'm about to f***ing drop it with you now, with you now. Tear the roof off every building, I know I'll be spending millions with you. Just tell me what you wanna do. So let's get out, let's get out. I got money in my pocket and I'm about to spend it all. I don't wanna waste a minute. Don't have many plans, wing it. If you got a glass, fill it. 'Cause I need it now. Monday is in it. I don't wanna think about it. So if you know the song, sing it. 'Cause I need it.